Hey guys, right now we're here in this place, Peke Plants and Planting Activities, because we're going to look at some plants. Maybe we're going to buy something from here. Let's go. So these are the plants. Hala, nice lagi ni. Nah, we have like that African Talisa. Banya wants to have hanging plants. Oh. Yeah. Oh my god, I feel like I'm in a paradise. Oh. Oh, this tree is nice. Look. An African Talisay. Nice, oh. This one. If we have cars someday, guys, we're going to plant many. We're going to buy many plants. Oh, I wanna have something like this.
Yeah, nice.
And plant there. Really, I wanna have like that. Okay. Let's check that. Ooh.
That we pulled down on it.
Oh, African Talisay, very big. Look, it's like a forest of African Talisay. Amazing. Nice, look at the lemon. Calamansi being marketed. A video for Banya's reference. Wali ka na. This place have lots of rambutan everywhere. Oh look, it's very, oh my god, rambutan. Like almost all houses here have their own rambutan, and here too.
Before I think rambutan can grow only here in Malaysia. What are you going to cook?
Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Today is another day, another vlog, another blessing, another opportunity. So right now we go here very early because we wake up early. No, we have something to do and very important here very early. And so first thing, I watered already our sweet potato, and now I'm going to prepare breakfast. Maybe I'm going to cook pancake for us.
Wow.
Pancake. You like pancake?
Yes, I like
Pancake nice. And hot chocolate.
Cool. Pop's still home. Yesterday he went here. He told me he will just like feed Tasha, because yesterday we need to go to Mageti for some deals. Yes, and he painted. Yes, painted. Actually, it's much better looks. If it's up also, it will be very nice.
No, I just see it right now.
You just see it right now?
But yeah. I hope Pops will not paint.
No, only there. There will be not. Because here it was destroyed of typhoon.
Okay. Vanya's being sarcastic. Well, Vanya said. Going to eat breakfast. Breakfast. I told Vanya we should buy this another like this but
Sugang.
para we can
Cook. Too.
another thing, not just waiting for one to be cooked. But Vanya is getting napalong. Pancake. It's nice if we have non-stick pan na pwede sa wood, no? Firewood. If we cook pancake. Nice ang non-stick pan. Pero okay lang. We finish it na. The pancake. Now to pair with our and now to pair our pancake, I'm going to make hot choco. The one thing here is evap milk and water.
It's remind me something.
What?
Look up.
Yesterday when we went to the city, we saw there like a kettle for making hot choco, but there's no butterol, so we didn't buy it because we wanna buy it with butterol.
And also you said we need to another get ba?
Yes. We want to have another sugang. This one sugang. This is called sugang. For specifically for hot choco. Because I'm thinking right now, first the kettle is smaller than this pot. Yeah. And then it's hard if it's very up because we need to, always shake your hands and move it like that.
Nice to put it down.
Yeah. So, but we'll figure out. Look at him. It's okay.
It's you.
What did they do? Wow! It looks like chocolate. Bantay. Taden, taden, taden. Ah, smells good. Kaning rambutan. Ah, buyag. So we have hot choco and pancake. I actually just used this pancake mixer, and I just added there 1 egg and milk. It's actually powdered milk. I use powdered milk because I used here our evap milk. So I use here powdered milk on 1 egg and water. And this pancake. Ato ni barang slalom. We need to have cabinet here. We need to have blah blah blah. Welcome to my vlog. Guys, this is my sister. Look guys, my beautiful sister. Actually, she's the prettiest among our siblings. This is the prettiest, and this is my brother down. Say hi guys. Hi guys. Muli ka? Oh, see you soon. Perfect timing. So today it's very hot in our place. We think like it's hard for us to do some deals in the lot because it's very hot there. So we've decided to go to the river and for a little hike. It's my first time to go here. There's a way really, because most of the time I just see big trucks there. I didn't know there's a road, so maybe they make this road for the trucks to go up until there and get some stones or whatever and sand or clean. Wow, it's very amazing. We feel blessed about our lot because first of all, our lot has a very nice view. It's really in our dream. We really manifested our lot that we will have this kind of view, very beautiful view. And yeah, really it's what Vanya manifested. Like, it's not really flat. So what we have right now is a lot that's not really flat, and then we have beautiful rivers and falls nearby, diba?
Yeah, very nice place here.
Yeah.
Yes, for me here in the Philippines I like more rivers compared to ocean, because before when I still in Russia I thinking like why Filipinos like to swim in the river. It's like, why? Not nice. Like, you have very beautiful ocean, but live here like how long? 5 years?
Yeah, almost 6 years.
Almost 6 years. Yes, I realized like it's nice on the river. Why? Because you can jump in the waterfalls if you have waterfalls, or they're just river. Yes, and you not feel salty after water.
Yes.
Yeah.
And Tasha is very happy. Oh, yee, freedom. Yeah. The road right now going here is quite difficult than before because the trucks made their own road up to this river, maybe for them to get some sand, so it becomes quite difficult. But we found the perfect spot under this, I don't know, maybe it's talisay tree. Yeah. And Tasha's so brave. She was scared a little, but look, she's so brave. Brave girl, huh?
Very, very brave. She wanna run by.
Tasha's panic. We're in danger, especially if we go to this kind of place like rivers. We wanna bring her to rivers because it's also good for her, and we wanna kaligo her in the river, wash her in the river. But at first, like, she's always like that. She gets panic every time we're in the water. Like, she feels like we're not safe in there, and she gets scared for us. I see. She's always panic. Like, she's trying to save us. Like, she thinks like she's our protector. Like, we cannot protect ourselves from danger. Like, she becomes a mama to us. Like, oh, I need to protect the children, something like that. Okay, stay there, stay. Sit yet. We wanna cross the river and go there. And napali. Deep lah.
No, here no.
Uy, Ay,
Nice, here the one.
nice.
Here a little bit deep.
Will you help me?
Thank you.
Deep. Oh. Kasi, na ito. Down na. Huli natin. Wala, na ito. Nagkakuday. Na-short. Oh my God. Oh. Yeah. Oh.
Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте.
Fly high. Wow. Na 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 na.
I saw a fish like that.
Big.
Oh, Tasha,
Tasha, Tasha. Tasha.
full. Tasha, full.
It's okay, it's okay.
Good girl.
Good girl. Oh, I didn't see.
Really, there's really deep.
Naiga bubble oh, maybe ko ana.
Huh?
Naiga bubbles.
Tasha, yes, no? Tasha, yes. Oh! Oh, I see under.
Deep.
Oh!
Tasha, it's okay. Calm yourself. Look, he's okay.
Oh!
Now we will go back to our place because it's already lunchtime and we're hungry. We didn't bring food with us. We don't have food with us except the rambatan, but it's
Yeah.
not enough. It's not enough, so we will go and we will cook lunch and eat lunch
Yeah.
and start.
What you can say about this river, about this spot actually?
Oh my God, I feel so. I always say this. I feel so blessed. Now I feel more blessed. We have, aside from we have a very beautiful view in our lot, we have very beautiful rivers near, like really a walking distance river, and like, oh my gosh, amazing rivers, really like magical, like stuff, very beautiful. I couldn't find exact words how to say it, but stop.
Like I said a while ago, like it's from movies.
Yes, something like that. Like it feels like you can only see this in the movie, but when you see it and be here, like, oh, there's like this, it's real, something like that.
Our talongs look strange.
Because we didn't, take care of it.
Yeah. Yeah, because it's not nice. It's not nice to plant here, and from there the water bring it here, like
We did
far.
it on purpose,
Yeah.
not to take care of this anymore, because we have other plans for that.
Yeah.
That's our chicken house, and what's the other thing though?
Tasha, gelatin.
Chicken and what's that ba?
Manakan?
Turkey.
Turkey. You want turkey?
You want turkey, right?
No, duck.
Huh?
Duck.
I duck the ice. Turkey na lang food. Duck and turkey and
Oh.
chicken.
Okay. And Tasha.
Mm.
Okay, Mamai cook my favorite. What is that? Corned beef?
It's his favorite, but you don't know.
Yeah. and rice.
Yes. And we still have pancake.
Pancake, yeah.
Yeah. We're going to eat now because we're go from swimming.
Mm.